Downloading all your YouTube videos at once is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through the process. First, open a web browser on any device and visit myaccount.google.com. Ensure you're signed into the Google account linked to your YouTube videos by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab at the top. Scroll down to the Data from Apps and Services You Use section and select Content Saved. Look for YouTube in the list and choose Download, which will take you to Google Takeout. Google Takeout allows you to download all your YouTube data, including videos, search history, and comments. Click Next Step, then select how you want to receive the files, via email link or direct transfer to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. You can also customize the file size, 1 to 4 gigabytes. Finally, hit Create Export. The processing time varies depending on the number and size of your videos. It could take minutes, hours, or even days for Google to compile the files into downloadable zip folders. Once complete, you're all set.